Okay, welcome to lesson 6. The assignment is about your state, and what you're going to end up doing is choosing any state. It does say any state beside Oregon, but you can choose any state that you want. And you're going to give a brief history, a picture of the state, tell what the capital, population, area, state animal, state bird, flower, and 3 local attractions. That's what we're going to do. But first, you need to learn how to merge cells and do a little bit more in your table. So we'll go ahead and bring up your code sheet. So the first thing, spanning a column. Now, what this means is basically, if you've ever worked in Excel or with a table, it's like merging. Okay, so on this one, this is spanning 2 columns. So we have 1, 2. This is column span equals 3 or 2. So you would type this in your table cell, col span equals, and the number of columns you want to span. Same thing here. This is row span. And for example, this cell here is spanning 4 rows. So it's basically it took 4 rows and merged. This one cell is column span 2, row span 4. Now, a table header, if you signify a table header, basically what it does is bold and centers whatever you have. Okay, so a table header, in lieu of, so in exchange of, instead of TD, you type TH, table header. You can have as many table headers as you want in a table. You can change the background color inside of your table cell. BG color equals. Now, depending on where you put this, if you put it in the table tag, it'll change the whole background of the whole table. If you put it in a cell tag, it'll change just the background of the cell. Okay, now you can also add a background image. So background equals whatever the image you want. And again, that is you could do for the whole table or just an individual cell. To do the border width, it's border equals and some number, and that's measured in pixels. Border color equals, and again, that's going to be a number or color value. Now, what I have on here on the example is a 2-tone border. Okay, so we have border color light and border color dark, which is just where the shadow is. So if you want to do just a single color border, you do border color. If you want to do border color light, you do border color light. If you want to do border color dark, which is the 2-tone, you do border color dark. So border color light equals, and you do the color. Okay, and then this is border color dark. Equals. Now, if you're going to do a border color like that, it has 2 colors, you put this inside of either the table tag or the cell tag together.